Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Jason Wild, the producer for LANFest. I'd like to thank you for being here and showing interest in streaming for LANFest or for another charity that we're working with, or a charity in general, if you found this video and you're just looking to figure out how to use DonorDrive. So I'm going to talk to you about how to get DonorDrive set up through your Twitch extensions. You don't actually have to leave Twitch at all. So here I am on, I just signed into Twitch, nothing crazy. I'm going to click on my profile and I'm going to go to my creator dashboard, which I'm sure you're familiar with. If you don't see the side thing, just pop it open and we're going to go straight down to extensions. So from the extensions menu, I'm going to search for DonorDrive. And it should be the only one that pops up, DonorDrive Charity Fundraising. We're going to install that, and then I'll go to Configure. And from this window is where we're going to start configuring everything. Go to my fundraising page. Oh, so it looks like this has picked up my information from before. So if you have not signed into DonorDrive before, if you haven't streamed for any DonorDrive charities, you will have to set this up, and it's really, really easy. You'll just go through, it'll open a new web page, or there might be an iframe in here. I can't remember specifically, but it will guide you through the steps to making a DonorDrive account, and then you can select what you are, your charity, and what you're doing. So you can just sign up through everything from Twitch. I'm going to search for LANFest, and here we are. A registered 501c3 that builds healthy communities through gaming. That's us. What is my fundraising page URL? No fundraising page, no problem. So I have not signed up for this event, so I'm going to find my event here. I'm going to, if I click on that, it'll bring me up. I center clicked on it before, but we'll just do a regular click, and that's going to bring up this window. And LANFest Colorado 21. Here we go. ViewSonic Gaming. Fundraise now. And I will be an individual. You could do team captain if you want to have a fundraising team with other streamers or your friends. That is where you can do it. You can become a team captain. Let's say my fundraising goal is $500. I'm not going to make one right now because we're just doing this as a test. So you are going to have to put in your address and your phone number and an email address. So save and continue. And now I can complete my registration. So it's got my personal email on there and everything. I'm going to complete the registration. And we are registered. So now what I can do is I can just copy this. I believe if I copy that fundraising page URL, submit, and it should figure it out for me. So once we've got that, that's me. Display my progress. Yep. And configuration is complete. So I'm now raising funds for ViewSonic Gaming United by Play, which is perfect. And if I would like to go, I can copy this and paste it in, and that will always take me to my fundraising page. So that is the link that you would want to put into your Nightbots for like a bang charity command or a donate command. And then to add the overlays to your stream, you just grab this, and you can also grab it from DonorDrive, of course. And if you put that in, it's just a simple top thermometer. So it'll show you top donor, most recent donors, and then it'll have your thermometer. And I believe if we go back to, let's go back to this page here, and you can add, so once we're in here and you have this set up, can I edit this milestone? So we can add some milestones, like an amount in the description. Maybe you'll do something wacky, maybe something fun. We also have incentives. So you can upload an image, the quantity available, maybe this is a signed t-shirt or, a special little, thing to put on their wall, or a sticker or something, So we have milestones and incentives, and those are easy to put in. You can update your goal, and then let's add a stream. Twitch username that's me, right there. Add stream. So it'll pull up my channel now, so people can come here and do that. So this overlay right here, this is just a generic top bar that comes with it. This will be styled. It hasn't been styled yet, but in this case, but it will be styled for the event that you're doing. So let's see, overlay event ID. So this is LANFest. Let's see if I remember an old one. So like 535, that was a different one. So you can see we've got a bunch of ones from other events that have different colors. Some of them will have images. So I'm just kind of shooting in the dark here. They're all kind of around there. But anyway, it will be colored for the event. So that is basically it. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to DM me on Discord or send me an email. My email is jason.wild@lfest.org, and my Discord handle is ThePlaidGinger #1135. Yeah. So thank you very much. Have a good one. Happy streaming.